Talagang mga ikaw ah. Sino ikaw? Anong karakter ka?
Ladybug.
Okay, Ladybug.
Ladybug nga.
Oh, wala pa yung may birthday. Nauna ka pa dito. Galing mo naman. Birthday mo, girl?
Hindi.
Oh, ba't nandiyan ka?
Eh, sabi ni Mami, dyan daw ako mag-picture.
Okay, sige. Hintayin mo si Mami yung Ladybug.
Ladybug, hindi Ladybug.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
Ladybug,
No.
huwag ka masyadong kumilos. Kasi
Ha?
mapapawisan ka. Kasi wala pa yung party, oh. Wala pa sila.
Yan na.
Ha?
Hindi ang party.
Wala pa sila, oh.
Ang party.
Konti pa lang yung tao. Ate, ano ka? Anong karakter ka?
Pop.
Ha?
Pop.
Power... Ha? Powerpuff?
Gawin ko Powerpuff.
Eh,
Hindi,
bakit?
si ano talaga siya, si Supergirl. Ewan ko, bakit
Mami,
power
open
pa
mo.
pang suot?
Ilagay.
Mak, para ka banduling dito sa mas na to. Bakit
Kaya
ganun?
nga.
Siyempre, ganyan talaga.
Picturein ko kayong dala dyan tayo. Okay,
Bakit yung kay ate okay naman?
Pendan. Siyempre kasi sila. Diyan tayo matulong sa ears. Ladybug. Ladybug din sa akin. Tayo taas. Ganun siya nag-jump. Ano ka ba?
Gawa-gawa ka.
Yan, ito diba? Yo-yo to. Hindi, pwede. Ibag lang ito. Walang kasamang yo-yo. Sorry. Ay, di ba ito yung call me? Hindi ito na-open. Oh, hindi ito na-open. Dead ka agad. Ganun.
Spider-Girl, wala sa
Walang
mood.
tulong.
Ha? Wala rin yan.
Wala din yan. Picture ka, picture ka, picture ka. O kaya nga, nasa mood ka. Picture ka, picture ka. Hina, picture ka. Hina. Smile ka naman.
Superpowers! Oh, grabe. Picture. Number one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, kids. Don't forget to show us your biggest smile, okay? And ready. 1, 2, 3. Tingin ka na kami, Daddy. Smile. How about a walkie pose? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and walkie. What did you bring? Mommy, line is correct. Okay, congratulations. What did you bring? Okay, correct. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wow, ang gagaling naman. Close your eyes. Close muna yung mga mata. Kids, cover your eyes with your hands. Cover your eyes with your hands and no peeking. I will count from 1 to 10. Then after that, open niyo yung eyes niyo. Then, hahanapin niyo po yung shoes niyo. Then, you need to wear it properly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes muna. Close your eyes. Cover. Close your eyes. 4. 5, 6. Find your shoes! Yes, you need to open your eyes first and hanapin niyo po yung shoes niyo. Congratulations! Sino ba walang prize? Okay, sino? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sabi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. We love you. Okay?
I wish you birthday, marami siyang friends.
Pwede po itong picture cake. Ulitin natin ulit later po.
Okay, one more, and... Can you blow your bubble? This you're blowing your candles like this. Okay? Are you 1, 2, 3, blow it! One more,
Kalma, kalma.
Eh, blow na malakas ah.
One more. Paano? Isa pa. Yeah. Walang reaction ah. Blow! Yeah! Blow! Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa. One more, one more, one more. And whoop! Tamo dinire, tamo. Pasukin niya yan, oh. Blow! 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 Ayun mo ba? One lang. One, two, three. Blow! Ayun.
Okay na. Okay na.